there my Zaniacs. Today I'm going to be making chocolate chip cookies. Now so far I've got a lot already measured out. I'm going to come in here and I'm going to set this to 375. Let that start heating up. Okay. So in my dry ingredients here, let me make sure I bring all this with me. My dry ingredients, I have 1 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon salt, and 2 1/4 cup of flour, which all of this needs to be mixed together. Right here, I've got my 1 cup softened butter and my 3/4 cup sugar, which also needs to be mixed together. And we are going to be working on our wet ingredients quite a bit here at first. So if you're going to bear with me, it's going to be in little bits and pieces because I'm not going to sit here and use my mixer in your ear. That would be kind of rude. So bear with me, folks. Alright everybody, here we are with our mixed up soft butter and sugar, and it actually looks really good just by that. There's been times I've actually been tempted to eat sugared butter, but I know better. I know butter. I know better about the butter, the butter better. Better butter. Anyway, I'm going to add these 2 eggs. And we're going to mix that in, and then we'll have one more thing to mix in after that, and then we will start adding in our flour and making our yummy dough. So I'll be back. Alright, here I am to add in my last bit of wet ingredient, and this is going to be 2 teaspoons of vanilla, already measured out. We're going to pour that in. We're going to mix it in, and I think I'm going to go ahead, well, actually no, hang on, I'll be right back. Okay, now the reason I said hold on is because I want to show you guys how much of this dry ingredient stuff that I'm going to be adding at a time. For every single time that I mix, we'll be adding about that much until all of that's used. And that is a bit much, but I think we will survive. So hold tight and I'll have cookie batter in just a moment. And here we have some yummy batter, folks. What I'm going to be adding is 2 cups of yummy chocolate chips. Who can say no to that? And about 3/4 of a cup of chopped walnuts. And instead of using my mixer, I'm going to be using this spoon. And I'm going to be folding it in. So I'm going to take care of that and set up for my first batch to go into the oven, where I will meet back with you. So see you then. Alright, here we have my first batch ready to go in, folks. It's 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 12 cookies. Now I'm not looking for perfect shape here. I'm looking for cookies that I can stuff in my mouth and dip in milk. Yum! Right? Hey, ow! I'm gonna drop my controller and put this in the oven. My oven always grabs my controller cord. I cannot stop that. But there they are, going in. And I'm going to do 8 minutes and see where we're at. Be back. Here we have it, folks. Nice, soft, if you can see, I don't know if you can, easily soft. I'll be eating that one, of course, or my husband, one of us two. Chocolate chip cookies. So after this, I will show you guys the recipe and sign off. You all enjoy. Bye.